On, Raila Odinga spoke to journalists at his current home before he embarked on his journey today. Let's listen in. All right, and those there are live pictures of NASA flag bearer Raila Odinga, who is also now been cleared to run and cleared by the IEBC. Pictures there earlier on from his home while he was leaving to the KICC this morning. Let's listen in.
And that is going to be the formal nomination so that the official campaign can start for the elections which will be held on the 8th of August this year.
This is the fourth time you're doing it. What does the day-to-day symbolize for you and the larger NASA family?
It is a special day for us in the NASA family. As you know, it has taken us time to get the NASA vehicle together. We now are here as NASA, and we mentioned just a few days ago that the journey has begun. And this is a crucial moment for us. It is one of the defining moments in this journey. We are determined to join Kenyans to bring change to our country. So we are calling this the culmination of many years of the struggle by the people of Kenya to reach the glory land. And today we are going to be talking about our journey through the desert into where we are today. And we are poised to cross the river to reach the glory land. So this is going to be my message today.
Mama Ida, today is also a good day for you. How do you feel about it?
I'm happy about today. Today is a significant day in the lives of Kenya and also in our life as a family. And I'm delighted it has come. I would say this is the day that the Lord has made. We should be happy, be glad, and rejoice in it.
You feel that this is the time?
This is the time. This is the right time. And the time is here. The time has come.
Thank you.
You've done this before. How different is it for you this time as compared to other times?
Well, I've done it before. But you know, the last two other times, I knew that you were in to succeed. And so is today. It has never been brighter than it is today.
So this is the time that Raila will be the president?
This is the time. This is the time. But I'm not only looking at him, but I'm looking and thinking about all the Kenyans. It has been a long way. I think when the struggle began, in my part, it must have started way back before some of you were born, way back in 1982. And it has been a long journey. We are coming to the end of the journey.
So we're going to let them.
All right, that is NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his wife Ida Odinga at their home early on before presenting his nomination papers to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, which has since cleared him. And it is on that point